Hello viewers, we usually use WhatsApp for texting and we also use conventional way of text. So today I'm going to share you 5 fonts of WhatsApp which can make your SMS beautiful. We will also highlight a part of an application if that is sent by WhatsApp. So let's jump to the screen. Now open WhatsApp, click inside the message and symbol key button pressed. Type underscore and then type your message and your text will go italic. At the end, once again, underscore and press. Now your text is italic. Now let's go for bold text. Symbol keyboard button star and type the message. At the end we will also again type star for bold text, no space required, and simply enter. Now you have seen bold text. Now let's go proceed to third method, bold and italic. Symbol keyboard button underscore star, type your button at the same time at the end, star and underscore once again. You can also watch the syntax at the end. Press enter and it's done. Now go for fourth, strike through text. Symbol keyboard button 1x2 button and now tilde sign appear, tilde sign, type your message and again we will simply write the symbol at the end. Symbol keyboard button again and 1x2 button. Now tilde appear, press enter and it's done. Let's go for bold, italic and strike through. Symbol keyboard button 1x2 and now underscore star tilde sign, type your message at the end, repeat the same symbols of your message and send. You will see the amazing text. Now symbol keyboard button 1x2 button and tilde sign 2x2 again pressed, so star and underscore appear and click send. It's done. Now let's suppose this is an application submitted for sick leave. So I'm going to share you a part to be highlighted in bold. So we have completed our application. Now 1x2 symbol keyboard button, click inside the area and underscore star and at the end where you would like to highlight at the same time underscore star. Now you can see that a part of the application is in bold and highlighted. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.